Hello everyone, my name is Manjit Singh and I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. Today's my topic is right to privacy. Right to privacy is a new law in our country and it is very dynamic law. Human beings have a natural rights to autonomy or control over confidential part of their lives and even after death, so they need privacy. In the context of world, firstly organized and came in existence in the United States of America, the Supreme Court of United States of America for the first time recognized the right to privacy in the case of Griswold versus Connecticut in 1965. The concept of privacy is to describe as right to be let alone and right to of each individual to determine under ordinary circumstances what his or her thoughts, sentiments and emotions shall be when communicating with others. In India, right to privacy is a part of the fundamental rights under Article 21 of the Constitution, but this happened after a landmark judgment in 2017. Right to privacy becomes a part of fundamental right, but it is not an absolute right. In the case of K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India 2017, it was held that the right to privacy is a fundamental right under Article 14, 19 and 21 of the Indian Constitution. This judgment was given by the 9-judge bench. As per the bench, where constitution is silent, that does not mean that the constitution maker don't want to make law on these things, but it is open and absolute that when the situation want on that time, it will be applied. Judgment of K.S. Puttaswamy overruled by the many judgment of apex court, like in this case of M.P. Sharma versus Satish Chandra 1954. In this case, court held that the right to privacy was not a fundamental right. This issue was that there was allegations on the dilemma group that they were doing malpractices in their work, so police did in an inquiry and search in the office and house of member who was related to the case. The defendant had alleged police that they were taking personal documents, but the court did not grant any decision related to the right to privacy and state. The judgment read, right to privacy is not fundamental right. Same thing happened in the case of Khadak Singh versus the state of Uttar Pradesh 1962. In this case, Khadak Singh was arrested in case of dacoity, but due to substantial evidences he was acquitted. This case related to the surveillance in this Uttar Pradesh police for collections the evidence by using Uttar Pradesh police regulations, but surveillance on Khadak Singh after facing all problems caused by police regulation, but surveillance on Khadak Singh after facing all the problems caused by surveillance, Khadak Singh filed a writ petition in which court held that right to privacy is not a fundamental right, but diplomatically visit, which is a surveillance, were deemed to be unconstitutional. Uh, right to privacy is a part of Article 21 of Indian Constitution, but it is not an absolute right, because right to privacy is just a wide angle dimension of the right to life and personal liberty, because as per the natural school of law, right to life and liberty is a natural right. It means it is a divine law or right given by the law and no one can snatch it. But when we talk about the right to privacy, it is just an evaluation and differs case by case. As we all know about the arrest warrant generated by the magistrate, which authorized police to arrest someone, if we analyze the theory of generation of warrant by magistrate, we can easily understand the privacy. In generation of arrest warrant, the permission is sought from judicial magistrate by police officer. This law because of this law, police cannot arbitrarily arrest or harass anyone because of some wildly or without any reason. If this happens, then it would violate the privacy, so the constitution gives the power to the judge to decide on this. Thank you. This was all about the right to privacy. Please like, subscribe and comment on my videos as well as on my channel. Do comment your questions on the comment box. If you have any question with regards to my current video or with regards to my previous videos. Lastly, This video doesn't solicit any kinds of promotion as per the guidelines issued by the Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for the educational purpose only. Thank you.